My name is Roshan Pukhrel, and from today we are going to start our journey on learning Angular version 20. Let's first learn what is Angular. Angular is a powerful front-end framework that helps us to build dynamic single-page web application. Single-page web application means that the site doesn't have to reload fully. Only the UI that need to be updated will be loaded. For example, when you go to this docs page and when you go to installation, look, only this part is changing, okay. L- this part is not changing. Oh, that's it, because of single page web application. Angular is developed by Google and it uses TypeScript. It uses TypeScript, but you should in for this tutorial playlist, you don't have to learn the TypeScript previously. We You will learn along with the video. Don't worry for that. TypeScript. Okay. After that, we will see what why should we use Angular for now. Okay. Angular. Angular helps us. Angular is like toolbox where all the HTML, CSS, JS are tools, and Angular is a toolbox. Toolbox means that all of the features of HTML, CSS, JS are in one place. So it is we can give a term toolbox. Okay. First, it has all server side rendering, client side rendering feature, routing, HTTP request, and and component. It helps us to organize code. It also works with CLI. Like in React, we have to download many libraries. In this, we do not have to download the external libraries. Okay, let's see what we'll learn in this course. Go to I have given this given the course topic list in description below. You can check it out from there, or I will pin in this comment. Okay, let's see what we learn. Yeah, we will learn Angular in 6 part, and there will be, at last you will get a bonus. You can see what we will learn. Okay, all section this will be 5 minute long, that not more than that, and after then the time will increase alongly. I If you don't understand any topic, you can comment and ask to me. I will reply immediately. Okay. uh, all right, that's it for today. You can check this site by clicking on the link given in comment. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll see in next part.